my little friends. Today we are drawing an helicopter. See, with its blades and cute little windows. In the sky, clouds around, coloring it with a bright red color. This is blue and this is yellow. Isn't it good? The clouds we will border with light blue and see our helicopter flying in the sky. Now we are drawing a flower. We go round, round, round and make the petals of the flower. Then we will draw the stem with long leaves. The flower stands straight behind two little stones with tiny grasses around. We will color it. You can color any color of your choice. We are coloring it pink and red. The leaves will be green. Same as the leaves, the stem will be green. And the grasses. We will color the stones brown, light brown and dark brown. Our flower is done. Time to draw an ice cream with a cherry on the top and the cone. Give a crisscross for the cone. Now we will color red for the cherry, chocolate topping, and the ice cream is strawberry, pink for the ice cream, and a biscuit color light brown for the cone. And our ice cream is ready to eat. Guess what we are drawing now? We are doing a honeybee with tiny wings, eyes and a smiley. Lines across the body, feet and arms. Honeybee near a flower. Two little leaves. We will color the honeybee yellow and black. Color the flower as your wish. We are doing yellow and pink. The wings are grey and the leaves are green. Our honeybee is ready to fly.